Hello guys! Ito ang kwento ko ngayon. Ngayong araw kasi yung poem contest ni Elise. Kaya mahalaga itong araw na ito para sa kanya dahil pinaghandaan niya yung kanyang poem contest. Simpleng costume lang din ang suit niya. Isa siyang watermelon kasi paborito daw niya yon. Ito nga pala yung National Nutrition Month. About sa healthy foods yung poem niya. Tara, panoodin natin siya.
Eat, try, fry. I start my day with eggs and milk to grow strong. Smoothie and rice with the chicken to make my lunch last long. Fruits and nuts are snacks. I love cream each day and drink with eggs. Either fish and veggies will my favorite care. Healthy foods helps me grow and keeps me strong everywhere. Eating well makes me happy, bright and full of life. Good meals every day help me shine so bright.
Masaya ako na nai-perform niya ng maayos. Hindi man siya nanalo, sabi ko sa kanya, better luck next time baby. Kasi part yan ng contest, may nananalo at may natatalo. Sabi ko sa kanya, laging maging masaya at tanggapin kung anong resulta, kung manalo man o matalo. At laging proud na proud sa iyo si Mommy and Daddy. I love you Ate Elise! Good job!